Hello everyone. In this video, we are discussing about what happens after submitting the EPAS overseas scholarship. It can be for the SC welfare, ST welfare, or other overseas scholarships. In this video, we are discussing the step-by-step process, 5Ws, and the terminology to remember is SLC, State Level Screening Committee, and about it, we will be learning more in the next process. In the step 1, we will be submitting the application online, and the application is submitted in the website telanganaepass.ctg.gov.in. You should look for the scholarship that you are eligible for, fill out all the details and submit it. So once you submit the application online, your application will be assigned to the regional social welfare officer, and he or she will be the key point of contact to guide you through the process. And you should maintain the proper and the transparent communication with that officer, because they will be the point of contact in informing you about the updates, about the meetings, about the documents to submit, and if you face any challenging situations during the entire process, they are the key point of contact. So it is very important maintaining a proper communication with the social welfare officer. Step 2 is the verification process, and there are two types of verification: preliminary verification of documents and social background verification. So, in the preliminary verification, the social welfare officer or the RCO will be informing about the date, where it happens, and the time of the event. And you must carry all of your original documents and at least two sets of Xerox copies of all your documents. And social background verification is the social welfare officer will be visiting your home, and the home address is present on the Aadhaar card that you use to apply online, and they will be visiting your home to verify all the details that are provided during the application are correct or not. So if everything is good, you will be moved to the next step, and if something is not right and if it is correctable, they will give you another chance, but if it is not correctable, then your application will be rejected. So be sure that you provide all your details or the right ones. And the final step is the final meeting or the interview, which we call it as SLC, the State Level Screening Committee, which means all over the state, the applicants and the officers will be present during this meeting. So when and where it happens, the details will be updated by the RCO, and who will be present during this meeting. The SCDD Commissioner and all the concerned officers of the scholarship, and RCO or the social welfare officer, and the applicant. So if the applicant is already pursuing their study in other countries, then their parent or your siblings can represent on behalf of you during this interview. And why and what happens? Why does this happen is to re-verify everything submitted is correct, and this will be happen in the presence of SCDD commissioner, and this will be the final step. He or she will be reviewing all your documents and approving, and if anything need to be corrected, then you will be given another chance, and if something is found that it exceeds the eligibility criteria, then your application will be rejected. So this will be the final step of approval or the rejection. And if anything is asked to resubmit, you will be given another opportunity to re-verify it. Thank you for watching. Wishing you all the best for your scholarship approval.